nice day in Fuerteventura. The sun's shining. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's about 18, 19 degrees, something like that. You can see the sea over there. This piece of wasteland that I'm standing on is an area of land that they were planning to build on, but once the economic recession hit Spain, then it all fell apart. There's loads of places like this in Tenerife and around the Canary Islands and different parts of Spain, but you know, when they do eventually develop it, it'll look quite nice. Yeah, so we're just off for a little walk, see if we can find something to take a picture of. There's nothing great around here, but I've had a look at some locations that we're going to go off to today, and hopefully we might end up with a couple of pictures by the end of the day. Set up now. We're on 250th of a second, f11, ISO 100, and we are at about 30 millimeters. Okay, I've taken the shot. I've taken it from two ways. I've panned from left to right and then right to left. Hopefully it should turn out okay. It's a bit sort of misty, if you like, but it seems to always be like that. It never really gets clear and sharp, whether it's something to do with the sand off the Sahara from Morocco or whatever. I don't really know, but there's some nice contours in the hills, and hopefully we'll be able to get something from it. For anyone who saw my previous video, you'll remember that that was all about testing out travelling light, which is what I'm doing today. Well, I'm doing it for the whole of this trip. All I've got is my GoPro and my camera, and that's it. We're out and trying to get something with that, and it's quite good fun actually. I mean, it's great not having to take a bag, worry about filters and everything else, but the big disappointment is probably the landscape. You know, you could easily be forgiven that thinking you were landing on the moon or something. The landscape is just, well, it's just atrocious. I'm not sure if we'll return to Fuerteventura. It's a nice place if you want an early bit of summer sun, which is all we came for really, but I was hoping to get a little bit more out of it. I didn't realise it was so bleak and as barren as it is, and colourless, which makes it an absolute nightmare. That's all folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. I would also appreciate it if you would click the subscribe button, because that will enable me to grow the channel so that I can keep making these videos. Please leave a comment or a question. I do read all of the comments and reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching.